Hello friends, welcome to my channel GST. Thanks for your support and liking my videos. अभी हम बात करने वाले हैं अपने उन स्मॉल फैक्ट्री ओनर्स और जिम ओनर्स who have been hit the most due to this lockdown. अभी this is almost a month जब ये अपना लॉकडाउन है and it is going up to 3rd of May, and this lockdown was announced suddenly with us, and people were less I have less idea about like this lockdown is going to happen for so long, and they initially thought that कि हफ्ते भर के लिए होगा, 10 दिन के लिए होगा, but now it's been extended to be almost 40 days. जो जिम ओनर्स हैं, द फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री हैज टेकन अ बिग हिट. रीज़न बीइंग, मार्च में जब लॉकडाउन 15th में मार्च के आसपास बोला गया था कि जिम्स विल बी शट डाउन बिकॉज it was the corona was spreading, and then finally on 23rd, 22nd or 23rd it was declared complete lockdown. तो जिम ओनर्स, जिम हैं जो ओनर्स, आई वाज टॉकिंग टू वन ऑफ द जिम ओनर्स and he said that initially they were paying salaries to the staff because they thought कि एक हफ्ते 10 दिन के लिए चलेगा, but now it's been a thing, so उन्होंने अपने स्टाफ को अनपेड लीव्स के लिए पे भेज दिया है. they have the rent, so and the rent they have to pay the rent, they have the other expenses. So as per him, they have hit around 20-30% of the sales पूरे साल का, and it's huge. I was talking to my gym coach and he said कि he is paying around 60 to 70,000 of the rent monthly, and the total expenses for the month is around 1.5-1.25 lakhs. And he says he barely सब मिला के, कोच का मिला के, स्टाफ का मिला के, he used to save around 30-35,000. he said कि मार्च में people subscribed and वो पूरे मंथ का आ गया, he could manage for March, but starting April he has started feeling the heat. स्टाफ को हटाया and he had a discussion with the rent owner, बट इट वॉज़ नॉट वेरी मच सक्सेसफुल कि वो रेंट उस मंथ का कम कर दें या उस मंथ में रेंट ना ले. सो ही सेड कि अप्रैल फिर भी सर्वाइवल है, बट ही इज़ नॉट श्योर मई में क्या होगा इफ़ दे आर स्टिल नॉट बीन अलाउड टू ऑपरेट. लॉस इज़ अ वेरी बिग, एंड जो छोटे ओनर्स हैं इनके लिए ज़्यादा मुश्किल है, बिकॉज there are big brands like CrossFit है, CultFit है, they have started online classes on WhatsApp or their links. They are offering discounts on the sessions, virtual sessions. So they are somehow trying to manage the pace and engage their people who used to visit their gyms, but everyone is not same. They don't have that kind of infrastructure where they can provide online classes or everything. So they have been hit the most, and they are not sure कि क्या होने वाला है. And as per the reports, even मार्च से लेके अभी तक में ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की जो सब्सक्रिप्शंस है, it has increased 4 times. So I believe the fitness industry or the gym owners are going to hit, but will they able to survive or revive after the lockdown? It is really difficult to say, because things take time to get into the circle. People would eventually, जब lockdown खुलेगा, खुलते ही I believe that immediately people are not going to visit the gym, because एक sense of fear है अभी भी कि जाएं या ना जाएं. So immediately people are not going to go to gym. So even if मई तक भी लॉकडाउन रहता है, तो आई गेस जून भी लोग नहीं जाएंगे जिम में, बिकॉज दे वुड फियर कि जब तक कम्प्लीटली ख़त्म नहीं हो जाए और देर इज़ एनी काइंड ऑफ advisory from the government because that now there is no harm and this community transmission and everything has been finished, so people can go to gym. I think people would start doing so. It is eventually good take time to really things get back onto the pace, and I really believe that the fitness industry should get back onto the cards, because it is one of the major portion of, because fitness is something which is a long term, not a short term. And if the gym owners are going to bear the losses, I'm not sure if they are going to increase the fees after the lockdown. तो probably हो सकता है subscriptions मिले ही नहीं. So this is a very catch situation where you never know how it is going to work. And similarly goes the situation with the small shops or factory owners, जिनका जो डेली का लाइवलीहुड है वो सिर्फ इसी पे टिका हुआ है, मंथ ऑन मंथ बेसिस पे चलता है. सो शुरू में दे हैव द लेबर्स जिनको उन्होंने सैलरी पे करी, बट with this long term of lockdown they are unable to pay the salary to the staff. Rents पे negotiate नहीं हो पा रहा है. They have their personal expenses, opportunity loss है. There are many things involved in this. So I'm truly hope that we're not going in a recession, but recession is a very big word for small MSMEs or factory owners who work, because they work on monthly basis. But yes, there is a very important need to create the demand and supply. Post the lockdown demand create होगा तभी supply होगी, तभी from manufacture to retail सब कुछ flow में चलेगा. And we hope it really works. I believe you should comment on this. You can come up with certain ideas or suggestions which we can really pass on ahead. Like I can share my gym owner how he can really get the things back on the track. Thanks. This is what I have to share on this tough situation for gym owners and the small factory owners. Please share my videos and like my videos and share subscribe my videos for more information. Thank you. Thanks a lot.